It is a beautiful sunny day here in upstate New York, and we are all outside, our entire family, enjoying every drop of sunlight that we can get. So happy daylight savings time to everybody out there across America. I hope that you are enjoying it. I hope that that you're soaking up every minute of it that you can, because I know for us, we were suffering from some severe cabin fever. I've got 4 kids and we live in a small house, and man, we need to get outside and enjoy the sun. So what are you guys doing? What are you doing now that it's getting nice out? I hope that you're considering a flagpole for your yard, because it's one of the most amazing things you can do as far as landscaping goes. Just such a beautiful addition to your property. But we're out here doing spring cleaning. The kids are running around kicking a soccer ball and bouncing a basketball, and my husband and I have been just trying to clean up the yard. So what does spring cleaning look like for you? Comment below. I want to hear where you guys are at, what you're doing across America. And this is me to you from Atlantic Flag and Pole. We wish you a happy spring. It's right around the corner, and I'm sure you're as excited as we are.